Hello friends, well here's a different perspective. Outside my balcony, I just wanted to give you a little update on what's going on through this sliding glass door reflecting off the sunlight back out into the ocean, and then of course the sound of the water makes for an interesting setting for a short little live feed video. So, due to a mix-up, I totally missed the first session. This one was going to be health catalysts. Catalysts for natural health. And I missed it. But it was video recorded. Now I'm usually there like early. I'm one of those nerds that shows up early. I've always got a pen and paper. I'm always taking copious notes. And because of the confusion, I freaking missed it. Otherwise I'd have been early like usual. But the next thing that's happening is, well, dinner. Today I go in my zoot suit. Oh boy, the pictures, it's gonna be fun. And then after dinner is belly dancing. So belly dancing is an anti-aging concept under the umbrella of natural health. And I'm sure some fascinating pictures might come out of that too. Maybe even video. I think for a belly dancing session, video would be super cool. We'll see. But it's a good core workout. Belly dancing isolates your core in all kinds of ways. Such a wordsmith. But it definitely fits under the umbrella of natural health and anti-aging concepts. So, I'll keep you guys updated throughout the rest of my trip. I'm glad I bought the Wi-Fi package. It's an excellent deal, and the signal strength has been really strong the entire time, which last year it was not. This is the best it's ever been, so there must have been some sort of technological advancement between last year and this year where it's like light years better. So, I will see you guys later. And my website, I'll be sharing all this on my website in addition to Facebook and YouTube, tomberkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media, tomberkenmeyer.com. Tons of content there about natural healing and residual income, which protects you and your family. I blog a lot about those topics. So I'll see you later. Bye for now. Trying to finish and it doesn't want to listen to me.